Hi guys, today we're filming something a little different. I want to try to do a nail art tutorial for you guys. I am not a nail art person per se. All I can do at most is stamping. So this is what I did, and I posted that or this design on Instagram. A lot of you guys are interested, so I decided to just show you how it's done. And I am actually now about to take this mani off, but I want to show you this. This is what it looks like at the end. So you can see that I have 3 nails that look basically identical, and they are the same base designs. The only difference is just the little bird's location right here. And then I also have this nail design that's different. It's a more like a red dot background with some birds on top of it. And then I have my thumb that also looks different. Those are 2 birds and some flowers. So I would basically show you the 3 different designs here. And of course on my right hand, it's slightly different. I tried the little heart, but I don't like it all that much. I like the flowers better. And also I tried a different tree, which I didn't like all that much either. So I definitely preferred, sorry, I shoot the camera, but I definitely preferred this hand a lot better. So I will show you those designs. So here I'm going to show you the plates. There's one image from this Born Pretty 025 plate, and the rest of them come from the Harunouta plate. So you can see there's the tree design, and then there's the little flowers on top of the trees. They came like a set. And then there are a few birds to choose from. I also used those little leaves, but I used red instead, and also the little 2 birds on the bottom. And the stamper I used is from Born Pretty. It's a clear stamper. I don't know the name of it. And a cleanup brush from Sigma. It's actually a small angled brush that I used for my eyeliner before. And the base color is Eat, Pray, Love from Moonshine Mani, and the stamping polishes are both from Born Pretty. They are number 7 and number 11. So I started my mani with 2 coats of the base color from Moonshine Mani, and then I just went in with the little tree and picked that up. It's very easy, and just layer it on the bottom of my nail or the tips. And then I added those kind of pink leaves. You don't have to be really exact how they layer on top of each other because it's very light in color. It just gives a kind of like a pinker look really. And then I just picked a little bird, put it on top. You can see the cleanup is very minimal. The design is very clean, and it's super easy to clean up. And then the next design, I used those bigger, chunkier leaves, and I put it all over. And I went in with this Born Pretty image of the 2 birds talking to each other. It's super cute. I put it kind of in the middle of the nail, but a little bit more like 1/3 towards the tip, really. And then the third design, I just have 2 birds, and I wanted the 2 birds to be kind of like talking to each other. So all I really wanted to do is to line up the 2 birds like mouth or the beaks towards each other as if they're talking. And then I put some flowers on the bottom just to fill in the space so it doesn't look too blank. But that's it. It's super simple, and now I just cleaned up the rest of it. Really, there's like basically no cleanup to do whatsoever. So those are a final look of the 3 nails. I super love this design, and I'm super glad how it turned out.